yeah.
Ay, ito ba yung in-order mo?
Hindi ko, oo. Guys, I ordered this scary fritters. I think it's for Halloween. Yeah, it's
pangalan?
scary. Screamy fritter.
Hindi naman ako natakot.
Yun yung tugtog. I-upload ko to ng raw. Walang edit.
Lagyan mo music.
Wala ng music. At
Friend mo nakarating ng bigutan dahil sa nag-send. This one is not screaming.
And that one is
This is putok.
hot chocolate.
Putok diabetic. Ayan o. Putok diabetic. Dugo.
Walang ano, hindi ko talalagyan ng music ah. Guys, let's eat. Guys, ang arte niya po. Pinapalitan niya pa yung kanyang drinks. Tapos, nagpapalit ng drinks. Ako pa talaga yung inutusan.
Thank you. Masarap na.
Trip.